So, curados.org is basically a website offering health-related products and making claims that can sound pretty convincing. But before buying anything, I'd be especially careful with a site like this. The biggest question is who is actually behind the website and whether the products have been properly tested or independently verified. A professional-looking website and strong health claims don't automatically mean the products are effective. I'd also look closely at the ingredients, dosage, company information, refund policy, and any claims about treating or reversing medical conditions. If something sounds too good to be true, that's a good reason to slow down and do more research. So, is curados.org a scam? I wouldn't automatically make that claim without stronger evidence, but I definitely wouldn't purchase based purely on the marketing. Look for independent reviews and reliable evidence before putting your money or health on the line. Overall, I'd approach curados.org with caution and verify exactly what you're buying before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.